Hi, it's Mike Philbrick with Brewery Doctor. Thanks for taking the beverage health assessment. By now, you should be getting the results sent to your email box. And if for some reason you don't get them after watching this video, take a look in your spam or your promotional folder. Before you open that email, there's a couple things that I want to talk about that are important to the results that you see. I think a lot of founders open the results and they say, "Hey, is this score any good? What's my score mean?" And the reality is people score all over the place. It's really just an idea of where you are right now. There's some companies that score really low and they go on to get great successful brands launched. There's other companies that score really high and they're just a couple operational mistakes away from losing a ton of money and they never get their beverage off the ground. The important thing is that the score is not really the destination here. It's really just a starting point. And what matters is understanding where you are and where you need to sharpen your pencil to ensure that you have the best chance possible for launching your product and being able to scale it once you do. For $99, I personally review your assessment. I take some more information from you and I record a customized video walking you through all of the results. In that review, I'm going to point out some of the biggest opportunities that I see for you. I'm also going to identify a lot of the operational risks that I think you might fall victim to. But best of all, I just give you practical experience based off of my 15 years of being a founder, of an owner of multiple beverage businesses. I've worked in manufacturing, developed manufacturing procedures, sourced equipment for those manufacturing facilities, and I've also helped tons of companies grow, and I'd love to help you. It's not a generic AI report. It's a personalized review from me who's been in your shoes and experienced exactly what you're experiencing right now and where wrong decisions can make a whole lot of money disappear fast. If that sounds valuable to you, scroll down under this video, click the button that says Get My Beverage Health Review. We'll collect some information from you and we'll get started. I really look forward to learning more about your brand, and I want to thank you once again for trusting Brewery Doctor.